So here we're doing a crack and start diag on this 2000 Honda CRV. Let's just duplicate the concern and just go from there. Yep, I think that sounds like a timing bell. Let's remove the valve cover and see what we're gonna find. So there you have it. I was right. So yeah, timing bell broke. All right, so I talked to the client and I told him that we might need to remove the head and just inspect the valves, because probably this truck died when they were driving. And he said, you know what, let's go ahead and give me an estimate with the timing belt and water pump only, and we just go from there. So yep, let's do the estimate and go from there. So yeah, this is what we use to get our estimates. We use a full bay, and I mean, I love it because I mean, you do everything on your phone. You don't have to sit down on a computer and you start writing the repairs or the estimates. It's easier. Let's go here. Timing bell. So it's a 3.6, but within the water pump. So water pump. There you go, 4.1 hours with air conditioning. We add it, and then we'll go marketplace. Here, timing bell kit. Coolant.